now ready to race. Racing, as they settle with bold water, very quickly to start, moving up by the Summit first. Shifting comes next, 70, stream time, moving up on the outside, alam mo na yan, Ratchaga, while Nick Pretty is the equator, and going along for the first turn, we have bold water, now on its favorite position as the pilot, this time by about 6 lengths, selecting second, shifting in the middle, alam mo na yan, is on the outside, 2 lengths back in 7 comes and number 2, and this one is Summit first. And half-mile distance, they travel with a bold water, maintaining a 4 lengths lead, selecting in second, then followed by Shifty, moving up stream time, alam mo na yan, comes next, Summit first, nitty-gritty, while Ratchaga now running at the tail of the field. Another quarter, we have bold water by only a length, moving upon the outside, selecting in stream time, likewise now closing, and then followed by Shifty, alam mo na yan, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have stream time, now moves upon the outside, the taker, selecting, drops back in second, we have stream time, selecting in second, running by the road, Shifty with about 150, and it's still a stream time, this time by about 6 lengths, selecting Shifty, and nearing the finish line, it's stream time. Second, close between Selecting and Shifty, then comes alam mo na yan, bold water.
And there you have it, stream time, winning again. Talagang sabi nga nila, pag napupunto ang kabayo, tuloy-tuloy ang buti nito.